Welcome to What's the Buzz this week in the Hardy Rugio Hive. This is our last school week in the year. How exciting! Who would have thought in August when we first came into the hive that we would be this close to seeing the tail end and seeing our little buzzing babies get ready to fly to yet another nest. So as we get ready for this last week, let's not forget that Friday, December the 21st is the early release. Our winter break dates are December the 22nd to January the 2nd. And our exam days are January 11th through the January the 18th. And you can locate on the Middle Creek website the updated exam schedule. And so exams are going to start on Monday, January the 14th, and they're going to end on Friday, January the 18th. So make sure that you go to the website and get that information. Our common lit titles this week are Monday, December the 17th, Doesn't Matter, Schools Are Racially Integrated, and Wednesday, December the 19th, I Too. Our Khan Academy syntax lessons are due on Friday. And as I tell the students, I'm only checking the quizzes and the tests. This week, we finished up Raising in the Sun on Monday. Today, December the 18th, we completed our released North Carolina final exam. And Ms. Rouge and I are going to analyze that data to pinpoint topics that we need to cover more in depth, getting ready to go into our North Carolina final exam. On Wednesday, we're going to have a Socratic seminar, and we love seminars. Our children absolutely thrive in that particular venue. They received a packet today with the I Have a Dream information, the written part of the seminar. Remember, seminars are 60-40, 60% for written work, 40% for their spoken participation during the seminar on the day of. So they need to come into class tomorrow with their written portion completed. On Thursday and Friday, we're going to actually look at Raising in the Sun. We're going to complete a viewing guide. They received progress reports on yesterday. Let me make a note of that. That were due back today. And I will try to take them. If I do not have your child's progress report and they are not doing well, I will make sure that I reach out to you to make sure that all the grown people know what's going on going into our North Carolina final exam. Just want to remind you that if you go to, let's try second block today. If you go into the classwork section, we will all be excited. All the common lits are in there just in case you had a question to make sure that we're all on the same page. Also, the Unit 4 performance assessment is in Google Classroom. So it has a copy of the I Have a Dream speech and the graphic organizer that we need to finish and the comprehension check. So there's plenty for the babies to do to finish strong and get another good grade on a major assessment. So we look forward to everybody having a very productive week, to getting those progress reports back. And when we come back, I'm going to update the grades before I leave on the 21st. And I will have progress reports for the children again when they come back on January the 3rd. And they'll get them again right before the NCFE so that they know going into that NCFE what grade they have quarter 1, quarter 2, going into the NCFE. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.